What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon, where we break down the smartest tech for creators and professionals. In today's video, we're covering the top 3 best wireless video transmitter options that deliver stable signals, low latency, and pro-level performance for streaming, filming, and presentations. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Vrriis WL082 wireless video transmitter. The Vrriis WL082 wireless video transmitter is a versatile solution for projecting high-definition content from various devices to large screens with ease. Equipped with H.265 decoding, the WL082 allows users to transmit the display of tablets, laptops, PCs, gaming consoles like PS4, set-top boxes, and more to projectors, TVs, or monitors. The transmitter supports input resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, making it ideal for conference presentations, multimedia teaching, watching TV, or immersive gaming experiences. Designed around HDMI wireless transmission, the WL082 delivers 1080p at 60 Hz video, images, and documents through a reliable 5G transmission channel. This ensures smooth and clear video output, providing a high-quality viewing experience. The system supports long-distance transmission of up to 400 meters, 1,300 feet, in open, unobstructed environments, making it suitable for large venues or outdoor use. Ultra-low latency of just 0.5 seconds ensures minimal delay, resulting in fluid visual performance and low operating temperature. The upgraded WL082 supports one transmitter connected to up to 5 receivers, expanding its capability beyond the previous 1TX to 4RX standard. Its wide application range includes home entertainment, gaming, outdoor filming, and professional presentations, maintaining seamless connections without the clutter of cables. Both transmitter and receiver are factory paired, allowing immediate use without additional apps or setup procedures. Multiple power options, including mobile power, 5V/2A Type-C, or NP-F series external batteries, add convenience and flexibility for various environments. With its combination of high-resolution support, long-range transmission, ultra-low latency, and plug-and-play simplicity, the Vrriis WL082 wireless video transmitter provides a reliable and user-friendly solution for modern wireless video needs. Number 2 is the Vnnbbs WL083H wireless video transmitter. The Vnnbbs WL083H wireless video transmitter is designed to deliver stable and versatile video transmission across a wide range of applications. With an impressive transmission distance of 400 meters, it allows users to enjoy expansive free space connectivity without signal interruptions. This system supports one transmitter connecting to up to 5 receivers, making it ideal for scenarios that require multiple displays or collaborative monitoring. Equipped with an infrared extension cable, the receiver enables remote control of the signal source, allowing precise operation even from a distance. The large 7-inch LCD screen provides clear, real-time monitoring of the signal status, offering an intuitive interface for users to manage their video feeds efficiently. The receiver's built-in battery compartment ensures freedom from constant power connections, making wireless transmission convenient and portable. The WL083H offers wide compatibility with most HDMI devices, including cameras, computers, laptops, projectors, and TV boxes, enabling seamless integration across various setups. Its combination of long-range transmission, multiple receiver support, remote control capabilities, and real-time monitoring makes it a flexible solution for professional video applications, presentations, and multi-display environments. This transmitter system is ideal for users seeking reliable wireless video connectivity with easy operation and extensive compatibility, ensuring smooth and efficient video sharing in both personal and professional settings. And finally, our number one pick is the Accsoon Cineview wireless video transmitter. The Accsoon Cineview wireless video transmitter is a cutting-edge solution designed for professional-grade video transmission, utilizing dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz technology. It delivers stable wireless connectivity with impressive ranges of up to 450 meters, ensuring reliable signal even in challenging environments. Its extended 1,500-foot range and ultra-low latency of 0.05 seconds allow for seamless live streaming, making it ideal for real-time monitoring and multi-camera setups. This system supports up to 4 devices simultaneously, allowing flexible configurations when paired with other Cineview models such as SE, HE, or Quad. It handles both HD SDI and HDMI inputs, with loop-through outputs for continuous signal distribution. The inclusion of USB-C UVC output simplifies live streaming workflows, enabling direct connection to computers for integration with third-party streaming platforms like OBS or YouTube. Designed with versatility in mind, the Cineview transmitter is suitable for a wide range of applications, from live event coverage and competition sites to professional video production setups. Its high-performance capabilities ensure smooth, uninterrupted monitoring while maintaining real-time feedback, making it an essential tool for filmmakers, content creators, and broadcast professionals seeking reliable wireless video transmission. This compact yet powerful transmitter receiver kit bridges the gap between camera rigs and streaming platforms, offering a streamlined professional workflow for high-quality live video delivery. Amazing tools, right? Don't forget to check the price link in the description for the best deals. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to Triplezon for more top tech picks and honest reviews.